That sounds like zombies.
Alright. Gentlemen, in front of us, you will see horrors that you'll never be able to unsee.
I am behind Stickboy.
Hey.
Here we go.
Hey.
Left.
Contact!
Don't worry, he's gone.
Moved on the road, ready?
Yep.
That gentleman looks like he has some problems.
Yeah.
Problems have been intensified.
I need a new mag.
Should we get up to high ground?
Probably a good idea.
From all I've learned from the prequels.
That's why you're Sergeant Bear.
What?
I thought that was just as I was the only one qualified left.
I mean,
Contact in the house.
oh.
And I hear them. Yep, right there. Suicide bomber.
Oh wow, I got Kobe.
What's happening? Why is everything on fire now?
Bear
'Cause I
got
got
hit
Kobe.
by a molly.
Yeah, Molly hit harder than expected.
Why the? Hi.
Hi.
Hey, boy.
Yeah.
It's just you and I.
Behind.
That
No,
guy.
I'm here.
No, Loli's here.
I'm just over
We gotta
here.
push this house. Ready?
There's Bo. Bo, there's a jumper.
Reach and clear.
No, Bo, help!
Reach and clear.
I'm on the way back up.
I got your
Good
back,
Loli.
boy. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Why is independent?
I'm
You can
gonna
make
hide.
yourself.
No.
What's happened?
Timing.
Can't figure out where A is.
Downstairs?
Downstairs. Okay, I can understand this. I can read a map.
Can you?
Oh, A. This is A. Yes, found it.
Lolly, watch the hill. They're on the hill.
Noted.
Okay,
And
I'm
ignore.
on Alpha.
Bo, I think you're by yourself.
I missed my shot because I'm using a new type of ammo.
All right, come on.
Oh.
Yep. Okay, I
well.
gotta aim there, like that.
So how's it going in there?
It's fine.
Well, he's still alive, so
Learn-
I'd say he's doing better than us.
I have a much smaller burst mass with the flechette versus the buckshot.
Yeah, but you penetrate the armors.
Do. That's why I picked it. Little barbs that go in deep. Never come out.
Well,
I'm just gonna sit here and pretend like I didn't hear that.
I just sit right here and boom! Take fire.
Headshot.
We've taken Alpha.
So all you do
Oh.
is boom.
Gotta
Headshot.
defend. I got incendiaries for this.
Everyone, fire up your doors.
Fire. Boom, boom, boom. Got you, Bear.
one's down the stairs.
That man. I'll see him in my nightmares.
Wait, we're already not
Fire
in your
this up real life.
Well, I think we put this place too much on fire. Well, I'm gonna
I
hang
can't
out with
see
you,
anything.
Bears. Dangerous.
You mind
I
watching my
can't see
back then?
anything.
Yeah, there's a bear behind you.
I appreciate that.
Hey, Law, you wanna check me out?
Oh my god, they were gone. Who let them into the courtyard?
Boom, you see that?
Oh no!
Hey
Boom.
guys, they're behind you. Bomber.
Boom.
Hey, Bo.
Yeah.
Kick my door again. You're not gonna like it.
Watching your six,
I
bud.
killed them all
Got you.
myself.
Alright.
Nobody's there.
Good.
Is that Stick Boy? There's a Stick Boy. What's up, Stick Boy?
Hi.
What's in that water bottle?
There's a bear sliding in on his knees. Oh wait, we're losing A.
Are we? Where?
Outside.
Fire in the hole.
Here and here and here. Nope, that's bear. Wait, that's Stick Boy.
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
there's nothing in here.
Just here.
Yeah, we got it.
Why are you shooting?
No, we got it.
Go, go.
Oh, we're good.
Okay, let's move.
Hey, everyone reload.
We're such a tactical unit. We know exactly what's going on.
Putting a new mag in.
I have proper amount of slugs in. Flechette, that's not slugs. Shotgun
You got
shells.
well, munition.
Quiet
Quiz.
here.
Do you have 3" or 2 3/4 inch?
Oh, these are
Fire
2
it.
3/4.
Get some
I
fire.
will get.
3" shells? That's a pain. Also, I brought C4. I hope you like it.
Oh, you brought
Why
C4?
did you burn me?
Fire in the hole.
Well,
Uncommunicated explosives.
My
there.
nightmare is still going well outside.
Where you at?
I,
You went that way. Why'd you go that way?
hi.
because I got blown up by the
Coming from your left.
failure of us to properly
Communicate?
ordnance disposal.
Hey, watch the right, because that's super close to order.
I got a shotgun.
That means you're
Tell
good.
me, shotgun bow. Shotgun bow's in trouble.
Shotgun bow got killed by me.
It's okay, Bear. I wouldn't count on me either to kill him.
Oh.
Oh no, my gun go click. My gun go click.
Oh, there goes Stick Boy.
Nope, I'm good.
Famous
Lolly
last
saved
words,
me.
Gun go click.
Lolly saved me.
Good job, boy. I'm gonna rush back to you guys. For what remains
Oh,
of you
we got
guys.
Kobe.
I think I go on fire.
Wait, am I alone
I
on
got
C?
Kobe. It's just
in
you and
here.
Stickboy right now. We're on our way back.
Okay, we're taking Charlie
I'm
now.
alone on C?
Hold me, whoever's in here. I don't want to be alone.
No!
Ah!
Loneliness is the last thing you have before death.
Dick boy.
Yeah?
You have contact! Dick boy, you're more dangerous than they are. You're just waving that thing around and left clicking.
I'm not left clicking, I'm holding.
I hear somebody. Oh! What was that?
That was me throwing an incendiary.
That was close. Dick boy, cover me?
Okay.
You're here! Cover! Where's the cover? Dick boy, suicide bomber!
It's dead.
Can't see anything.
This is my final stand, boys.
Those
Why
smoke
is-
mortars or just more mortars?
Those are smoke mortars. Or somebody's
Something's
throwing
happening outside. What is those screams from?
It's the enemy. So, you know.
They're doing chem smoke.
Upstairs?
Get inside. Get inside.
Upstairs!
Wait. Do you guys have gas masks or no?
Yes.
Me and Lolly came equipped.
I'm not sure
Alright,
Bo
let's
came.
keep the hype going, guys. What's
5 seconds left. Who?
Watch your
For go
downstairs.
D.
What was it saying? The
Where are you guys at? I'm outside.
I'm 2 feet behind you.
Hi.
Hi.
Alright, here we
Yeah,
go.
that's more than 2 feet. That's 20 meters.
It's 2 feet. Bigfoot measurements.
I feel like this mission's gone all kinds of wrong. Look at that. Look at that melon. Get it? Melon.
Oh,
Okay, fine. We don't like humor.
but there's more melons.
No melon.
There's eggplants. Sick boy.
Get those
Yeah?
hands.
We have an objective, gentlemen, and we're missing.
I see a jumper.
Oh, teleporter.
Right now? Oh, that guy?
Spooky.
More in front. Two to the right.
I wonder if we should have brought suppressors.
I don't know. I mean,
You think zombies are attracted to sound, right?
No. Blood.
No.
They're sharp.
attracted to Canadians.
So we should just get rid of Bear.
Yeah. There. That's the option.
Than me. I would do it too. I would sacrifice you too.
I hear people outside, but I'm not. I see them. Left side, left side, left side.
Stand by.
I'm out of-
Fire. Fire. Stand by.
Corner.
Closing door. In here!
I like
Fire.
that.
I
Door.
hope. No! Help! Stop!
Think what's
We
going
got. We got him.
Death.
Stand by. Fire.
Destruction.
Here.
I got this door back here, so you guys have fun with
I got a
Here,
low.
watch this. Boom!
Great. Now we can't use that as protection.
If we're expanding our realm of influence.
What are we? The British Empire?
Outside, backside, the way we came back, it is a terrible column.
Oh!
Why did you shoot me? Why did you execute me, stick boy?
Because you make terrible call out.
It's true. Hey, backside behind us.
I thought that's what you meant by backside.
Just put that gun on my chest and fired half a mag.
Well, I
I
am
meant
on you.
over here.
I feel
There
safer
is.
here.
They were pushing this way. We gotta go to
We're
Echo.
leaving.
Great.
We need ammo.
If it makes you feel better,
I
that
don't.
was.
No!
Okay, I'm covering. Get your shit loaded.
Yeah, I gotta put
Loaded.
control.
He
Okay.
teleported.
I got him, but you died. I'm sorry.
I'm moving out. Cover me. Left side.
More.
He just jumped
Watch behind
at
you. Watch behind you.
I'm behind.
Watch the other side of the building. There's a whole bunch of them running that way.
What?
What?
The way we came into the building.
Oh, there they are. Okay.
Burning your corpse.
I threw that one right where you threw that one. We doubled up on that one.
I'm on the way.
Left down the road. Left down the road.
Nice kill, stick boy. I'm
Fire's
pushing
coming
the
towards
E.
me. Oh my gosh, you guys are
No,
flaming
Bear
me out.
behind you.
Well, they barred the door. To go around.
Come out.
He's down.
Why was that one laying on the ground like that?
I don't know, but one just ran
Take a
past you.
nap.
These are very nice accommodations. Run!
All my friends are dead.
How are the accommodations again?
I found a bed.
All I heard was a run and then a room exploded.
It happens, Bear.
Ooh.
I'm
I
running
found a
back.
bathtub.
Very sad.
Okay, I'm leaving the back door open, Bo, the way you came in.
Lolly,
Leave that back door open.
Yeah, the innuendos are real.
Lolly, you should come to the bathroom.
No, I'm not coming to the
Okay.
bathroom.
What a
I
weird
thought
stuff being
mine
said
was
right
bad.
now.
I am
I don't know
staying
if I
in
want
my
to go in that house.
Yeah.
I'm staying in my room watching
No
my
border! Get on my life!
It's not in your life. It's just in your face.
Brains.
Hi, Bear.
The left door's open.
Well, the house is being moved.
Ah!
And
Are those actual
Gas
murders,
mask
or are
on.
those-
yeah, Stickboy's not doing well.
They threw a Molotov in the
Oh, you're on our
bathtub.
left.
Yeah, I'm just watching this door.
Guys, watch out!
Okay, not that way. Not that way. Ah, what the? I just walked in there, Bear.
The 40 mil works.
Bear
That
used
hurt
a
my
40
face
mil to
muscles.
kill one dude.
There's more in here. There's more in here.
You can't
I
shoot
don't want to
them.
die like
Ah!
this. I don't want to die.
Don't worry, you're not gonna
Lose the
die.
objective. Get back on it.
You're
Oh,
not
it's
gonna-
a kill.
Loading.
No, pistol. Tactical. Oh, you're here. Thank you.
I just got shot like
You
5
saved my life.
I don't know who I am. I don't know where I am. All I
Oh,
know
border!
is I must kill.
Oh, my
What?
gun went dry.
I got it. I got a load.
Yeah, the Glock didn't.
Hi, Bear.
Are we good?
We're
No,
good.
there's still someone here.
I
Oh, it's right
died.
there.
Hello.
Thank you. You're the best.
You're welcome. I don't know what I did, but you're welcome.
Are we keeping security or just everyone go for ammo?
Everyone go for ammo. Who
I'm
needs
here.
security?
I have security at the front door.
I'm
Hear
on Lolly.
voices. Oh my goodness, conga line!
Wow.
Hit the full on switch.
I don't have one of those. Huh. Oh. That's horrible.
Come again. Just a sec.
Who
Reloading.
invited Grady and Susan?
There are more.
I think we're good. I think we're all cleared.
Oh my god! Don't go in there! Don't.
What is happening on the other side of this house?
He was sitting in. I walked in and he's sitting on in the corner with a cell phone in his hand.
I'm not alone.
Yeah, we're here.
Nobody's ever truly alone.
They're coming from everywhere.
Securing Foxtrot.
I mean, there's a lot of buildings. There should be a lot of people that are.
Fire, fire, fire in there, fire in there.
Oh, these are such nice.
Ah!
Hey, start burning entrances.
Oh, I got this. Wait, yeah, okay,
There's a
I can do that.
teleporter in the building. Teleporter in the building.
What now?
Stickboy. Bear.
I
Got
don't
it.
believe in voodoo.
I got it.
Ah!
I don't have those. I don't have those. Help! Danger, stranger!
Microphone muted.
Bear just unloaded into Lolly.
Microphone activated.
Well, you know,
That was a danger close situation.
Shotgun bow. Not
I
happy
make
with
no
this.
apologies for people standing in the enemy.
Reinforcements are on their way. Just hold tight with what
Hey,
you
by
got.
the way, we can capture this from the second floor. We don't have to stay down there.
Why'd you like that car on fire?
Because that field needs to burn.
hi Bear.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, it's we're trying to find. There we go. I'm gonna go in this way.
Get inside, please.
Get the bodies right there.
One of those is yours.
Guys, teleporter,
I know.
teleporter,
Stick boy.
teleporter.
Yeah?
Contact. He just ran right through the room. There you go, Bear. You're good.
Bear running in.
Where's the stairwell?
Make sure you guys have gas masks on the drum and kill.
I don't have one of those.
Did you
Well.
crack Cookie Bravo?
Hit B.
Okay, I have one of those.
Good job.
I'm gonna reload.
Oh, I have these. They're party favors.
I'm out of party favors.
Is
Okay,
that, is that good?
I'm gonna go clear the upstairs.
I don't want to go upstairs.
Oh, I also have this.
Bear! Bear! Bear!
Ow! I threw C4
Ow.
on the ground.
What?
Ow! There's so many of them up here!
I'm going fetal position in this corner. You can never get me out.
It's all on fire down here.
Hey, well, I left this down there for you.
Jeez.
Hi.
Whoa, whoa, look at me. Look at
Can we
me.
take the mask off?
Look at
Safe?
look at me. Look me in the eyes.
Guys,
It's not
to the
safe.
right,
Fire!
to the right.
Fire! Mask
Whoa.
on!
Whoa, stop. This is all your fault. This is what you do.
Why?
I want to turn into a zombie.
Yeah.
That's what you both get. That's what you both get.
I was too busy facepalming and come back to a room full of them.
That was
That was karma.
Outside, outside, outside!
Why are you going outside?
Help!
This is not going well.
I need a sec.
They help.
Where's the one that's blocking? Yay!
Just in time for cheesecake.
Oh, it's over.
Yeah.
It's finally
You have
over.
to go home.
No, we're stuck in this
I
forever.
got the most kills. And the
I'm
most
the most
kills.
MVP'd.
I was like, pow, headshot.
I died.
Alright, that should be enough, right?
That explosion guy was great.
Dude, I just love you guys ran outside and all here is beep beep beep.
Yeah.
And then